Video Dose by Mr. Kabanga from the Congo. What is this about? Same deal. We're working with synthetic division, like synthetic oil change. That's what I do with my car all the time. But anyway, who cares? All right. So what are we doing here? They want me to factor this right here, given that x minus 9 is a factor. What they're saying is, if this is a factor, so it just means you got to divide by that. So what am I saying? Here's what I'm saying. First, we just check the exponents. 3, checked. 2, checked. Uno, checked. All right, so now make your thing. All right, put your coefficients. There's a 1 right here. Here it is. Negative 18, here it is. 95, here it is. Negative 126, here it is. Boom. All right. And they gave me this as a factor, right? Like with parentheses. They didn't put the parentheses, but that was the same factor. So if I give you x minus 9 as a factor, then the roots, it's 9, the opposite. So here it is, 9. All right, let's do what we do best. Drop the first one. Boom. 9 times 9. 9 times 1, you get 9. Add them up. Negative 18 plus 9. What does that give you? Negative 9, right? Negative 9. 9 times negative 9, you get negative 81. All right, so what does that equal to? What's negative 89? I'm sorry. I'm using my calculators here. So let's see here. What is 95 minus 81? You should have 14. Duh, Miss Kabongo. You don't need no calculator for that. 9 times 14. What does that give you? 126. And then when you add these two, you get 0. All right, like I said, the last number is the remainder. This one is a constant. This is x to the first power, x to the second power. Let's write the final answer. We have x squared minus 9x plus 14. You see how synthetic is easy? So the answer here is this one. This would be, yeah. See how this is easy? It's quite simple, right? Very simple. All right, we're dealing with the next one here again. So they give you this, and then they said, now here's the big difference. Here it is. So they said negative 17 is the 0. 0 is another word for roots. Okay, so the root is already given here as negative 7. So we're not going to do anything opposite, nothing like that. All right, so let's check. You have a 3, got it. You have a 2, got it. You have a 1. Everything is in order. So make our thing. We have the 9 here. We have the negative 73 here. We have the 71 here, and then we have the negative 2 here. All right, so again, am I going to flip the negative 7? No, because it's already given. Let's say it's the 0, which is the same thing as the roots. It's already given to me as negative 7, so you just keep it as it is, right? If it was in parentheses, it would be plus 7. This would be the factor. But since they give it in 0, they already did the reverse for us. Drop the 9 down. All right, so 9 times 7 should give you negative 63, right? And then when you add that, negative 63 minus minus 63, you should get negative 136 times that. Yeah, this is going to be a huge number. So, all right, so what's negative? So what's that times 7? That should give me a positive 952. Add that. That's 1,023 times that. What a huge number here. And times that by 7. You get 7161 negative, right? Got it. And if you add that, this one gives me negative 7163. All right, let me just check my math. I dropped the 9, I multiplied, it gives me this. I dropped the down, diddy-biddy-dim. All right, so like I said earlier, the last number is your remainder. Constant, x1, x2. Ready? Write it. So we have 9x squared minus 136x plus 1023. And then the remainder, you ready? The remainder has to be written like this. Minus 7163, all of that divided by x plus 7. I wrote it as a factor. That's it. All right.